In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Etsy to Printify, a step-by-step guide to selling custom products in 2025. If you're looking to merge your creative talents with the power of print-on-demand technology, then this guide is perfect for you. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to set up your Etsy shop if you haven't done so already. Simply go to the Etsy website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Shop Manager, which you can find on the left side of your profile menu. This will take you to a comprehensive dashboard where you can start setting up your online store. Next, let's focus on setting your shop preferences. This is an essential part of the setup process because it helps tailor your Etsy shop to your specific needs. Begin by choosing your desired shop language. This should be the language you're most comfortable operating in, as well as the one in which you intend to communicate with your customers. Moving on, you'll need to select the shop country. This is important as it can affect shipping logistics and delivery times. Following this, decide on your shop currency. This will be the currency in which you'll receive payments from your sales. Once you've made your selections, remember to click Save and Continue so your preferences are securely stored. Now that your shop preferences are set, it's time to choose the name of your shop. This is a creative task and an opportunity to make your brand memorable. Think about something that reflects the products you'll be offering. Once you've decided on a name, move forward by clicking Continue with Persona, which is part of Etsy's verification process. The next step involves verifying your personal information and setting up your biometric verification through Persona. Etsy will request a video selfie and a photo of your personal identification. This might feel a bit tedious, but it's a crucial step to ensure the security of your new shop. Once this is complete and you've been verified, continue setting up your shop by following the on-screen prompts. Once your Etsy shop is ready, it's time to proceed to Printify. If you haven't yet, create an account and log in. On the dashboard, you'll see an option labeled Unnamed Store on the left side menu. Click on it, then navigate to Manage My Stores. Here you'll find the button to Add New Store, which is exactly what we want to do in order to connect to Etsy. Select Connect to Etsy and follow the details to link both accounts. Finally, you'll be prompted to grant access, which you should do to allow seamless integration between Etsy and Printify. And there you have it. You have successfully connected your Etsy shop to Printify, and you're now set to start creating and selling your bespoke products. Remember, this synergy allows you to focus on creativity while Printify handles the logistics. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your online business journey.